Welcome. Today, we're diving into a recent update on Pinterest that allows you to reply to comments on pins directly from your PC. This new feature enhances interaction and engagement within the Pinterest community. Let's walk through the simple steps to reply to a comment on a pin. First, open your web browser and navigate to Pinterest.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of pins displayed. Next, find the pin you want to engage with. You can scroll through your feed or use the search bar at the top of the page to locate a specific pin. Once you've found it, click on the pin to open it up fully. This action will take you to a detailed view of the pin, where you can see all related comments. Now that you have the pin open, scroll down to find the comment you want to reply to. Comments are usually listed below the pin image. When you locate the comment, look for a small option that says Reply. Click on this button, and a text box will appear for you to type your response. After clicking Reply, write your message in the text box. Be concise and engaging. This is your chance to connect with other users. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, look for the Save button nearby and click it to submit your reply. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a comment on a pin using Pinterest on your PC. This feature not only allows for better communication, but also enhances community interaction around shared interests. As Pinterest continues to evolve, these updates make it easier for users to connect and share ideas. So next time you're browsing through pins, don't hesitate to engage with others by replying to their comments. Happy pinning!